กามสการคางเคนโซบาคุดอานนาคุดนาคุดสักสูจู
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has transmitted at the request of the Plotagon government. At 1 p.m., there will be kind of some T-code virus infected all human brains. So, if you live in this place such as Plot City, Downtown Plot City, Uptown Plot City, West Plot City, Storybook Hills, and others, you must evacuate immediately. To evacuate, bring all of your friends and family members. Bring non-perishable food, water, extra clothing, a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, or the handcraft radio with extra batteries, a phone, a charger phone, and don't forget to put them on airplane mode. We will cease transmission for now, and this is the Plotagon government signing off. Stay safe and good luck.
Washington. I am T-posed.